In C programming, strings are essentially arrays of characters. These arrays are terminated by a null character, represented as \0. A key difference from other programming languages is that C does not have a dedicated string type. Instead, strings are represented and manipulated as character arrays. There are two primary methods for declaring strings in C. The first method involves using character arrays, where you define an array of characters to hold the string. The second method uses string literals, which are constant strings enclosed in double quotes. It's important to remember that all C strings must be terminated with a null character represented as \0. This null character signals the end of the string. Consider these examples. In the first method, which is character array, we define character name of size 10 equals to HEL, L, O \0. In the second method, which is string literal, we define character greeting equals to hello. Or with explicit size, character message of size 20 equals to hello world. Let's delve into how strings are stored in memory. Consider the string hello. Each character in the string occupies 1 byte of memory. The string is terminated by a null character, represented as \0, which also occupies 1 byte. Therefore, the total memory required to store a string is the length of the string plus 1 byte for the null terminator. So H is stored at index 0, A at index 1, L at index 2, L at index 3, O at index 4 and null character at index 5. The ASCII representation is also given. C provides several fundamental operations for working with strings. These include reading strings using scanf and gets, writing strings using printf and puts, determining string length with strlen, copying strings with strcpy, concatenating strings with strcat, and comparing strings with strcmp. To utilize these functions, you need to include the string.h header file in your C program. For example, include standard input-output.h and include string.h. Then in the main function, define a character name of size 50. For reading a string, use printf and scanf, and for finding string length, define integer length equals to strlen name. And then print it using printf function. The C standard library provides a rich set of functions for string manipulation, all available through the string.h header file. Here are some commonly used functions with their descriptions. String copy copies source string to destination. String in copy copies n characters from source to destination. strcat concatenates source to the end of destination. String compare compares string 1 and string 2. strlen returns the length of the string. String character finds the first occurrence of character in string. Now let us look at the example of string copy and concatenation. Include standard input-output.h and include string.h. Character source of size 50 equals to hello. Character destination of size 50. Now to copy string, use string copy destination source. To concatenate strings, use string concatenate destination with world. So the output is hello world. When working with strings in C, it's essential to be aware of common pitfalls and adopt best practices to avoid issues. Some common mistakes include forgetting the null terminator when manually creating strings, leading to potential buffer overflows if not enough space is allocated. Using the gets function is unsafe and should be avoided in favor of gets. Additionally, it's important to check return values of string functions and avoid modifying string literals, as they are read-only. Always ensure sufficient buffer size for string operations to prevent unexpected behavior. For example, include standard input-output.h and include string.h. Then define the main function, character name of size 50. For safe input with fgets, use printf and fgets function. Remove new line if present. Character pointer new line equals string character name \n. If new line is present, then new line pointed by new line equals \0. Then print using printf. If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.